on smoke. It's just salt and fresh cracked pepper so far. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes. It's about 180 degrees of smoke. That's what they look like so far. Give it another 15. Going down, swell to a knuckle, second knuckle. Haven't used that much yet. Should be enough to do all these and something else. Come back a little bit. It's only 15 below-ish today, Minnesota. I think it's January 24th or something like that. Woohoo! Chilly. See my breath. Alright, time to crank it up. 375. There we go. There's those are at. That's smoked. It's been about an hour and 10-15 minutes. Now we're just gonna cook them. And then we'll make some buffalo sauce and some, we already have blue cheese dressing. Not gonna make that this time. But it's still smoking. This is the wood blend from Sam's Club, hardwood blend pellets. Still doesn't feel that much. Especially on just smoke. It's been 2 hours. 381. There they are. Little chicken wings. Turn this down to, what do you call it? Shut down mode.